Hi, and welcome along. I'm going to do a very quick introduction to the Saving Club 90-day Blitz or 90-day challenge. It's been a little while since I've done anything on Saving Club, but I want to show you what they've put together. I've actually done okay with Saving Club. I mean, I've got a team that's over 100 now. My direct team is over 100, and my matrix team is getting into several hundred. So I'm really, really happy about the way that Save Club's developed. But they've just done something that I think is really a game changer, and it is totally free for every affiliate to join. And it is a 90-day blitz, and we are being taught by multi-million dollar leaders in the network marketing industry who have put this together for us totally free of charge. It's actually being done on a separate platform as well. And we're going through every single day with fantastic training. I just want to show you it. So this is the back office. It's got absolutely nothing to do with our main website where there is additional training. This is specifically set up a little bit like school, set up specifically for the 90-day blitz. So as you can see here, day one, day two, and we are currently down now on day 11. Now, it doesn't matter if you join, you can still take part in this and work your way through. That's absolutely fine. So, don't let that put you off. What I want to do is show you what we're getting, basically, because I'm just going to go into day two and just show you, because the format is the same on every day. Okay, so you go in here and then you have a first lesson. And this is done by Charles, who is the CEO of the company. And it's always the same format. We get a video. So let me just show you. So that's the video, okay? And it's Charles talking. And then below the video, you've got a summary of the video. Okay, so you could, for example, put this into ChatGPT and just ask ChatGPT or whatever AI you use to give it a summary. And then there's also a copy of the slides there as well. Okay, and then at the bottom, you just mark it as completed. And lesson two is always done by David Dubbs. And that's a slightly different format. As you can see here, it's David just basically talking to camera. So normally he has his face in here, but this time he's just using a white screen. But it's either him talking to camera or him using a white screen or something like that, like he is doing here. There's no summary underneath. Okay, and each time that you finish the lesson, you just mark it as complete, and then it will show up as being complete in your learning. As you can see, every single one of mine has been completed. If you've only done one lesson out of the two, it will just show a 50% complete. Okay, so that's your lessons. There's also a discussion forum as well for you to get into. Oh, look, surprise, surprise. There's me an hour ago doing my input. But yeah, so if you want to say anything here, as you can see, there's 662 members, affiliates of Safe Club who are taking part in that, and there's 229 posts at the moment. There is a leaderboard. As you can see, I'm currently sitting at number 3, very close to being number 1 on the 30-day leaderboard. But yeah, you can post anything in here. So people are posting in things, and yeah, so there you go. There's Bianca there, day 10, Save Club Disruptive Advertising Approach. Just what people are finding about, if they've got any questions as well, they can have in there. People will answer the questions. As you can see there, somebody's answering the question there for Robert. So there's a lot of support in place as well. So that is a really, really quick snapshot about the Safe Club 90-day Blitz. It's all free of charge for all affiliates. So if you're interested, click the link below, join my team. I will be in touch with you, and you are more than welcome to take part in this free training. This training sells for $2,000 outside. So we get it totally free for our $20 per month subscription. All right, click the link below and join and take part in the 90-day Blitz.